Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and welcome to this video featuring the Happy Hibiscus stamp, die and hybrid embossing folder. This is a lovely card making tutorial. This is the card we're going to make today. Isn't it lovely? It's beautiful sunshine yellows and greens, and I think the sentiment says it all. So let me show you what to do. This is the Happy Hibiscus stamp set, and we're going to be using all of these lovely images here, and it's a two-step stamp set. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this one today. I'm going to pick this up using my stamping tool. I'm going to stamp as my outline in pumpkin pie because I don't want to have a harsh outline. So I'm going to stamp this in pumpkin pie. Give it a nice ink up and down, press down. Not happy with that, so this one cardstock has two sides to it. Let's try again. Yep, that will do. So let's clean this up again so we can take it out of our stamping tool. Give it a good clean. Sorry about the noise. Okay, gonna leave that out for later. And this is a two-step stamping set, so we're gonna get our next pieces in, which are these here. So these are really easy to line up. If you can't find the way initially, just keep going round and round, and you'll find out where to stop. Okay, last one here. Lovely. Pick those up using my lid, and now I'm going to stamp these in crushed curry, the two big ones. I don't mind if I stamp the small one as well in crushed curry. I'll go over it again with another colour. So there we go. I'm going to stamp. Yeah, that will be fine. And then I'm going to take some Calypso Coral, and I just want to stamp up the small ones. I'm actually going to remove these now from my stamping tool. You will get ink on your fingers, but don't worry, it all washes off if you get ink on your fingers. There we go. Lovely. Okay, let's leave that aside. And I'm going to put all of these back in their home now, so there's no orphan stamp sets, no orphan stamps. And we're going to do our trees, no trees, our leaves rather. So let's do the outline. I'm just going to use blocks for this, and I'm going to get another scrap piece of paper, use both of these here, and I'm going to do my outline in Granny Apple Green, and I'm going to stamp this 3 times. So get this nicely inked up. 1, 2. I think I'll have to use this piece for 3. Lovely. Okay. remove these, and then I'm going to get the layering pieces out. I'm going to close this ink pad up before I stick my arm in it. So I've already done the laundry today, I don't want to have to do it all over again. Okay, I'm going to layer this up and just really easy to do. I'm going to pick those up with my block, and now we should be able to do all three of them without having to layer again, without having to place them again. Just look straight through your stamp and there down, and again straight through your stamp. I'm sorry if my head's in the camera. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to die cut these all out using the matching dies, which are these here, and I'll get on and do this, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I've die cut everything out, as you can see, and I also die cut from some Daffodil Delight pattern paper, this little shape using the Countryside Corners dies, and I used the second largest die from there. So let's put our card together. Our card base is thick basic white, so that's a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Then I've got a piece of crushed curry and another piece of basic white here, which I'm going to stick on top. Now all the measurements will be on the blog post, and you can find the link to that in the description box below, so don't worry about looking for that. And I'm just going to stick one to the other and then put all of this down on our card base. There we go. Well, that's just a little pop of colour. I'm keeping this very tonal. And then we're going to put this down. You can decide whichever side you want. I want the stripes again, I think. I'm just going to centre this on my white piece like that. Okay, so now we're ready to assemble our pieces. So let's see what we've got here, how we want it to happen. Let's see, let's have that there. I prefer it like that, and then tucked in like that. Okay, so let's stick this down while we remember. I'm just going to put glue in the centre so that I can change things if I so wish. I'm going to pop this one up on some dimensional, so I'll look for one there. And I think I'm going to have this like that, and then we're going to tuck this one here. The glue's not wanting to behave. Shake it into submission, have like that, and then we want to put some leaves. So let's see where we want our leaves to go. We've got quite a lot here. Let's see. I think there. Let's see where else. So we're going to need something here as well. Maybe like that. I'm going to put one here, I think. Just a little gap there. And maybe I think something here just to sort of fill in that space there. That looks good. That's very symmetrical and I don't like that. So let's see where we can put some more leaves. We could have at the top. We could have at the bottom. I want to put my sentiment maybe there, so maybe at the top. Could have that there. I think that'll do for now. And then we're going to look for a sentiment. And I'm going to use, there's something, saying something sentiment pack, which is here, and I'm just going to look for a pre-made sentiment. Let's see what we've got. We could do thinking of you. I'll keep that aside. So happy for you. Don't really want that colour. What a joyous occasion. Heck yeah, that's very American, isn't it? Heck. Don't really hear that in the UK. Really? Could I have this one? Today is about you. Let's have a... Yeah, I like that. Today is about you. I'll use that. Let's pop this up on some dimensionals. So I'm going to use my edges again. I've been using them a lot recently, which is good. They're all good dimension. So let's just cut a little bit off. And just going to put that there. Get rid of these bits. Take the backing off. And then I think somewhere around here I'll put my sentiment. A very simple design, I think. So just a little bit of finishing touches, I think. And we're going to have some of these faux glass dots. And we've got some various colours here. I think I'm going to go for this one again here. Just putting this back in its place. So I'm going to keep again to this diagonal sort of theme that I've got going here. There we go. So you still got your visual triangle but on a diagonal. If that makes any sense. So there are the two cards. I hope you liked them. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. As I said, if you need any more information, you'll find all the links below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.